nuggets, and then 3 orders of French fries, and then oh, hey guys, want any milkshakes?
Yeah.
Sure.
No.
Yes, yeah.
3 orders of milkshakes, and then oh, and some cookies too, and then gosh, I think it's about it. And then I said that is it. And then and then nothing else, because I'm all done ordering, okay? And then no and then. That's all I wanted. And then look, sir, all I wanted is the nuggets, and the French fries, and the soup, dude. Right. And the shake, dude. Right. And the shake, and then, and the cookies. So it's the nuggets. So it's all you order is the nuggets, the French fries, the shake, and the cookies. And then put it in any kind of a color bag and hand it over, because we're all set to eat. And then hey, I refuse to play that stupid old McDonald's game. And then no and then. 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 And then no. And then you're starting to piss me off, dude. And then I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna put my foot on your ass if you say and then again. And then
And then.
And then
What scene is that from?
dude, where's my car?
That was beautifully reenacted. Good job. Awesome.